Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can disable the ad notifications on Tool4seller app. So for that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option on the bottom right corner. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So here we can see the notification setting option. In the right side of the manage marketplaces we can see the notification setting option. Just tap on the notification setting option. So when we tap on it, here we can see the add notification option. Just tap on it. So here we can see the all stores option. Just disable this. So this is how I'm going to disable the ad notifications on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.